Welcome, friends. Today, we are doing another unboxing video. Stupendous. That is right, my friends. Today we are doing another unboxing video. We have two very special fragrances to unbox, and I am excited. So, these fragrances have been bought after my sampling of the brand L'atelier Français Des Matières. I spent some more time with them after the video, and then I sent them on to Fliss. My feeling on the brand as a whole was that the materials are absolutely exquisite and impeccable, but the fragrances weren't necessarily I don't know that the fragrances were there because they were made to be fragrances. They kind of felt like they were there to show off the materials. They put a lot of store by the materials, and rightly so. The materials are absolutely fabulous. They're imperious. I don't see many other places doing materials quite as well like this. If anybody knows, please, God, let us know. I would love to smell them. But these are exquisite. And I'm a massive, massive fan of Les Indomptables, which is owned by Valérie Pouveret, who is the wife of Remy Pouveret. Remy owns the brand Anthologies de Grand Cru, and Valérie owns the brand Les Indomptables. I find Les Indomptables perfumes are more perfume. They feel more like perfume for perfume's sake. You know, they are perfume made to smell like a whole perfume. Whereas I feel like the Anthologies de Grand Cru are there to showcase and reveal exquisite materials to us. And they certainly did. You can get the sample sets from Bistro de la Butte at a very reasonable price, and they're a very reasonable size as well. I think they're about 3.5 ml, and it is very worth your time to do that, you know. Anyway, let us get to the unboxing, shall we? I bought two of these, and we will start, my friends, with the first, and this is a box. But what is in the box? Inside the box is the fragrance. Oh my God, don't do this. There it is. Inside the box is the fragrance Ambre Stone de l'Atelier. This is the ambergris one. To me, this kind of smelled a bit like Escal and Indonesia, which I have a bottle of here. It felt like Escal and Indonesia eau de parfum, you know. I don't know if I've got the camera angle right there. I'll put them back a little bit so they fit properly. It's only a 30 ml, but I imagine a 30 ml will last a while. This is a big ambergris one, you know. There's a lot of ambergris in here, a lot of bergamot, some white florals, and I think some sandalwood as well. It's very beautiful. It's very summery and fresh and strong and aquatic. You know, it's like a grown-up aquatic fragrance. Absolutely gorgeous. The bergamot's very sharp at the beginning. I wasn't sure how I felt about it, but it dried down absolutely beautifully. This, outrageously, I had no idea. This is a magnetic cap. Fancy that. I didn't know that. This is not a magnetic cap. Smells a lot like an eau de parfum version of Escal in Indonesia, which is one of the colognes from Les Indomptables. I'm excited to wear this when it heats up a bit, you know. Fantastic. So you will be hearing more from me about this, no doubt. That is the first I bought. And the second one I bought comes in another box. Good grief. This is Vetiver de Pierre. This one probably impressed me the most out of all of them. The chocolate, the tonka bean, the vetiver, the tobacco, absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Smelled like a... Oh, I'm going to have to spray that. Oh, smelled like a parfum version of Guerlain's Vetiver a bit, but with extra cacao. Strangely enough, Guerlain have released a parfum version, but this came out in 2017. So maybe Guerlain smelled it and thought, that's a good idea. God, that is so good. I absolutely love that stuff. It is beautiful. This is possibly all year round kind of thing. It's very warm. It's got touches of Vanille Havana about it, but with a big vetiver instead of like a vanilla, you know. Absolutely stunning. I highly recommend you check this brand out, friends, if you like Les Indomitables, and even if you don't, because I think there's something there for you. I'm glad to own these. Very difficult to get. But anyway, thank you very much for watching, everyone, and I will see you all again soon.